Did you know that one killer terrorized London so badly that 500 police officers couldn't catch him? In 1888, Jack the Ripper began his reign of terror in Whitechapel. Over 3 months, he murdered 5 women with surgical precision that shocked even experienced detectives. Each victim was found with their throat cut so cleanly that police believed the killer had medical training. But Jack didn't just kill, he taunted authorities. He sent letters to newspapers signed Jack the Ripper, and even mailed half of a human kidney to police, claiming he ate the other half. The killer removed organs with such skill that investigators were convinced he was either a doctor or butcher. Scotland Yard launched the largest manhunt in Victorian history. They brought in bloodhounds, investigated over 2,000 suspects, and even considered members of the royal family. Despite having more clues than any previous case, they never caught him. The murders stopped as suddenly as they began. 130 years later, Jack the Ripper remains history's most famous unsolved case, with new theories emerging every year.